Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today we're doing something a little bit different. No Kamado, no sous vide, but we're doing what could possibly be Australia's national dish, maybe. And thank you to Wendy for the inspiration for this one and asking me to give this one a crack. This is salt and pepper calamari, or salt and pepper squid. And not only is it salt and pepper squid, but it's foolproof salt and pepper squid. It's going to be crispy, it's going to be crunchy, and you're going to love it. Let's go. Okay, so we got two, go away fly. Okay, so we got two squid tubes here. Pop this out of the way. And all we need to do is just open these two guys up like this.
You need to hurry up because I'm sweating.
It's sweating like a gypsy with a mortgage, as they say.
Can you say that?
Oh, well, I just did, so I think I can. And what you need to do is just score this using just the weight of the knife. Just score this through like this. Just take your time, and God forbid, don't cut yourself. And obviously you don't want to go through, whoops, like I just did. You don't want to go through, or try not to go through the flesh of the calamari, but just score it and then turn it, and you can see that's what you're supposed to do. And then come back the other way.
Is it 40 degrees today?
It is as hot as balls. Very bloody hot. And then what you want to do is just cut I like to just cut it down the middle like that. And then you want to just cut these into triangles like this. So just hack that through into lovely triangles. Put it aside. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. Just like that. And so you end up with a piece that basically looks like this. Beautiful. I'll just knock up the other one. And I've got a bowl here with 3 egg whites, and what we want to do is just whisk these up until they're aerated.
A bit of yolk in there, Head.
Oh, I got a little bit of...
Come on.
Did you just call me Head?
Yeah, sorry. That's what I call him, Head.
You're a twit. We don't want stiff peaks or anything, but you do want it to be aerated. Something like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. So we'll just dump this in here. Lovely. Give that a toss through. Get them all coated.
Toss-throughs had quite a frothy outcome.
I'm not even going to buy into what that's supposed to mean. I have saved you the boredom and put this flour mix together. I'll put the ingredients up on the screen, but this is a rice flour mix, salt and pepper obviously, and a few other bits and pieces. I'll put those on the screen. So what we want to do is just take these and we'll cook them in batches. So we'll just dump a few of these in here. We'll probably cook in 2 batches, and what we want to do is just lightly with your fingertips mix this through the flour mix as the breeze throws it all over the place.
Effect.
And I'll just pop those on a plate and set those aside and do the other ones. Oh God, it's as hot as balls out here.
It really is.
30 odd degrees here in Melbourne. So they're all lovely coated. We've got some oil preheated now in our lovely deep. What are you doing? We've got some oil preheated at 190 degrees Celsius. I'll put the conversion on the screen for you Fahrenheiters. And we're going to cook those. Well, actually, I'm going to time them. I think it's give or take around about 2 minutes, 2 minutes 30. You want to just fry them until they float, basically, and then they're done. You're not going to get a crazy amount of colour on them. You want to just cook them until they're beautifully crispy and tender. really to say.
Crispy on the outside, tender.
Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. They're going to be so crunchy, you're going to love it. Let's go. Give those a dunk. All right, so you can see how they are starting to come to the surface now. That basically means we're done. This has turned out amazing, and just come in for a second, Yaz. We'll get the... I mean, you're just not going to get any crispier than that. We put together a little rocket pear and parmesan salad as well, which is divine. An excellent pairing to this, I guess. Taste test. Come on, man.
That is foolproof. That is so foolproof.
Foolproof. Foolproof.
Fool.
So good. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Crunchy as, foolproof. Ingredients in the description below. Piece of cake, anyone can do it. Let us know what you think. Comment below. We're going to go inside because, God, it's hot out here. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.